Morning children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Children, I am going to tell you the story of Goldilocks and the three bears. Once there was a bear family who lived in a cottage in a jungle. Children, do you know who all were there in the bear family? There was Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear. One morning, Mama Bear prepared some porridge for their breakfast, but the porridge was too hot to eat. So, the bear family decided to go to the jungle for a walk so that when they came back, the porridge would be cold enough to eat. Meanwhile, a girl came there. Her name was Goldilocks. Children, do you know why her name was Goldilocks? Because she had golden hair. She had golden hair. Goldilocks was very happy to see a cottage, but she was curious to know who lived there. She stood on her toes and peeped inside through a window, but nobody was there in the house. She opened the door and went inside the cottage. Goldilocks was feeling hungry and she saw 3 bowls of porridge. Big bowl was Papa Bear's porridge. Medium bowl was Mama Bear's porridge. Small bowl was Baby Bear's porridge. First, she tasted Papa Bear's porridge. Papa Bear porridge was too hot to eat. Then she tasted Mama Bear's porridge. Mama Bear porridge was too cold to eat. Then she tasted Baby Bear's porridge. Baby Bear porridge was just right. So she ate it up. Then she went to the sitting room. There she found 3 chairs. One, two, three. Big size chair was Papa Bear's chair. Medium size chair was Mama Bear's chair. Small chair was Baby Bear's chair. First, she sat on Papa Bear's chair. Papa Bear's chair was very hard. Then she sat on Mama Bear's chair. Mama Bear's chair was too soft. Then she sat on Baby Bear's chair. Baby Bear's chair was just right. She sat on it and lo, it broke and she fell down. She got up and went to their bedroom. There she saw 3 beds. Big bed was Papa Bear's bed. Medium bed was Mama Bear's bed. Small bed was Baby Bear's bed. First, she lay down on Papa Bear's bed. Papa Bear's bed was very hard. Then she lay down on Mama Bear's bed. Mama Bear's bed was too soft. Then she lay down on Baby Bear's bed. Baby Bear's bed was just right and she was soon fast asleep. Meanwhile, the bear family came back and they were feeling hungry and decided to eat their porridge. Papa Bear said, "Someone has eaten my porridge." Then Mama Bear said, "Someone has eaten my porridge." Then Baby Bear started crying. "Someone has eaten my porridge and it is finished." Then the bear family went to the sitting room. Papa Bear said, "Someone has sat on my chair." Then Mama Bear said, "Someone has sat on my chair." Then Baby Bear cried out loudly, "Someone has sat on my chair and it is broken." Then the bear family went to their bedroom. Papa Bear said, "Someone has slept on my bed." Then Mama Bear said, "Someone has slept on my bed." Then Baby Bear said, "Oh Mama, Papa, see, someone is sleeping in my bed and there she is." Then immediately Goldilocks woke up and she was frightened to see the bear family. She ran out of the cottage and kept running and never looked back. Goldilocks saw her parents. After seeing them, she was very happy. She hugged her mother and promised her that she would obey her and listen to her and would never go out alone. So, children, moral of the story is always obey your parents and never go out alone. Did you like my story? Thank you.